What's up, YouTube? This is Janu back with another video. Actually, take two. I am on my way to PCP Motorsport, aka Disneyland. We're going to get a few more parts installed onto the Z900. So, pause. All right, again, take three. We're on the way to PCP Motorsport, aka Disneyland. We are going to get a few more parts installed onto the Zed900. Remember what I said in regards to my bits and pieces video. I did have a few more parts to install, and if you watch my last video, you should be able to remember what I was talking about. So I'll be back in a moment. So with that being said, let's get this ride thing started. Let's go. Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel. Again, like I said, I'm at my favorite spot, PCP Motorsport, aka Disneyland. Just to let you know that all of those parts were installed onto the Zed900, and the motorcycle is being brought out to me right now. So give me just a moment and I will show you that end product. Alright. There she is, all complete, winglets installed. Thank you again, Miss Juliet.
You're so welcome.
All right. Thank you, and it looks awesome. Oh, wow, so they turned out really nice. I'll make sure to put up PCP Motorsport in the description. Oh my God, so awesome. Thank you. So with that being said, let's get this ride started. Let's go.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I